Okay, so guys, usapang dividend, no? So, uh, dito, I'm using TradingView or pwede rin naman yung broker nyo. Pero yun nga, mas maganda kasi mag-compile ng watchlist dito sa TradingView. And ayun, dito pwede ka rin maglagay ng watchlist like commodities, currencies, cryptocurrencies. Pero if you have stocks investments, pwede rin naman dito, makita rin yan. And yun nga, punta lang kayo sa stocks investments, and kung plano nyong maglagay ng investment do sa certain stock na yun, pwede nyo siyang i-check kung makaka-receive na ba ng dividend, or kung hawak nyo na siya, pwede nyo rin i-check kung makaka-receive ba kayo anytime soon. So dito, ayan, makikita nyo, like for example RLC and Robinson's Land, click nyo lang yan, then scroll down na kayo. Yan, kompleto yan, overview, may news, and may ideas. Kung may mga nagpo-post about that certain stock, may mga ideas yan. And yun nga, key stats, everything, market capitalization, dividend yield, yan. And ito nga, no, scroll down ka, makikita mo dividend, yung yield, yan yung in percentage kung magkano yung marireceive mo. For like for example, meron kang 10,000 nilagay dyan, 4.98% nun marireceive mo on June 30, yung pay date. Alright, so 10,000 is 4.98 nun, 498, no? Marireceive mo yan June 30. And yung X date na tinatawag, yan yung kung hawak mo siya, yung stock na yun, or nag-invest ka during or before that date, makaka-receive ka ng dividend payout on June 30. So yun lang yun, basta ako siya, kung withdraw mo siya after that, it's up to you, makaka-receive ka pa rin ng dividend. Kahit di mo nahawak yung stocks after ng X date, okay lang, makaka-receive ka pa rin ng dividend. Okay? So yung pay date, yan yung date kung kailan mo siya ma-receive. Alright, so for more stocks investments, I highly encourage you to join Truly Rich Club. So nandiyan po yung link niyan sa may bio natin or sa may description box below. So see you there.